Hey guys, we're here at the Polynesian Village Resort and we're going to do a room tour of the newly renovated rooms. Magic door opening. Thank you, my magic assistant. When you step into the room, the first thing you're going to notice is how bright and airy and fresh these rooms feel. They're really on the large size. They have 2 queen-size beds and a pull-down sleeper sofa, which we'll show you in a minute. That sleeps 1 person, so it's not a pull-out, it's a pull-down. The room has large screen TV, a deep set chest of drawers. You'll notice that these drawers are actually really deep. You want to pull those out, Will? So they have a good amount of storage in them.
Just pulling out 2 of them because I jumped through the other one.
Right.
Over stuff that we couldn't keep in the video.
And there's a coffee table, really pretty lamp. This room does have a patio, which we will go out and look at in a minute. They put a lot of thought into the design here. The headboard kind of looks like surfboards. And then you'll notice there's a bench here at the foot of the bed. A comfortable reading chair in the corner here, which I think is really nice. That shows you how much extra space is in these rooms, that there's actually a chair and ottoman here. Bedside table with drawers, still plenty of storage. Moana-inspired artwork, which is really beautiful. Goes well with the theming, but it's very subtle. It's very tastefully done. It's not like you're sleeping in an animated film. You're in a really, really nice room here. Plenty of storage underneath the bed there. You'll notice that the beds are both lifted up, so you can put your luggage underneath there. You're going to find here also a full bath that has a tub shower combination with sliding glass doors. Then you have your vanity, 2 sinks, more storage underneath. You'll also find your hair dryer there, as well as a makeup mirror. The water closet is in a separate room here, and that's got a pocket door there that you can pull closed. You're going to find your extra towels and whatnot in there as well. The shower has the rainforest head as well as the wand. And you're going to find, as always, your H2O bath products. My favorite part of the room, perhaps, is going to be this lovely, generous balcony that's out here. Now, a little tip for you, not all rooms at the Polynesian have outdoor balconies or patios. It depends on what floor and what building you're in. So if that's something that's important to you, I recommend going to the front desk at check-in or making a room request before you check in to make sure that you get that. As you can see, hi Adam, the patio is a really nice size here, very comfortable, and we have a beautiful view of the quiet pool and the really lush grounds here. My helper, Lily, is going to show us how to pull down this bed here. So if you have a 5th sleeper with you, if you're sleeping 5, this room will accommodate you guys very, very nicely. There's plenty of space. And this is pretty simple to set up. Did I speak too soon? Pull. So there's a little switch, and then you pull down on the back there. And you're going to see all your beddings there tucked away. And you're going to find your extra pillow and blanket in the closet in the front hallway. And this is a nice size. This is just a little bit smaller than a twin size bed. So this is bigger than the 5th sleepers that you're going to find in the moderate resorts like Caribbean Beach and Port Orleans Riverside. So this is, if you have a bigger child, this is much more suitable. And then I just wanted to show you, we got Maui here. And we have Moana. All these really beautiful, subtle highlights in the room design really make this space very comfortable, but really having a beautiful Disney theme. I hope you like this room tour, and I hope it helps you decide where you want to stay on your next Disney vacation. Have a great day, guys.